So let's start today with a query I got regarding how can I make the Google Ads app campaign profitable. Okay. So currently I'm running Google Ads for a store information scanning app. I'm running a total of 4 campaigns starting from the evening of December 14. So it's been a bit over 3 days now. Okay, so you're running 4 Google Ads app campaigns. So the global one, budget $40, target ROAS 65%, actual RS yesterday was 0.68%. US budget $50, target ROAS 65%, actual ROS yesterday was 0.41%. But tier 1 budget $70, target ROS 30%. I just increased it to 60% today, including Poland, Canada, UAE, France, Czech Republic, Sweden, Spain, UK, Australia, Italy, Germany. Actual ROS yesterday was 0.47%. And Brazil, budget $30, target ROS 60%, just launched today. And previously, I only ran one global campaign with a $20 budget and it was still profitable. However, since I tried to scale up and started splitting into separate campaigns, I have not seen any profitable gain. Okay, so you still have more questions. For the Taiwan campaign, yesterday I noticed it didn't spend the full budget, so I lowered the target ROS to 30%. Today it started spending too aggressively and the CPA became very high, yet it still hasn't fully spent the $70 budget. Looking at the report, Canada, Australia are the most expensive countries in terms of spend, but have generated no revenue so far. I don't want to exclude those two countries because on AdMob, they are still among the top revenue generating countries. The global campaign is getting a lot of installs, but it is still not profitable. The US campaign is the same. It generates revenue but not profit. CTR is around 3 to 4%, so I don't think the issue is with the creatives. My question is, should I wait longer for revenue to come in? Is it normal to lose money in the first few days? And am I doing something wrong here? If you need more data to evaluate, please comment and I will provide. Thank you, everyone. Okay, so if you're running your Google Ads, so it's been a bit of 3 days now. So, in my opinion, 3 days is too early to decide. And regarding your question on should I wait for long, so yeah, you should wait for long. So this is for your quick answer. Now going into the details and aspects, because you said that previously you ran one global campaign with a $20 budget and it was still profitable, but once you tried to scale it up, you did a massive huge scales, like you split it into 4 campaigns, started, and going spending too much. So my opinion is go slow. I recommend going with a profitable, but go slow and wisely rather aggressively. So also your tROAS campaigns doesn't perform well on new campaigns. New campaigns need data to perform. So I do not think that the target ROS spending is a good start right now. We need some data. So my opinion is specifically for all of the campaigns which you have started today is do not use the tROS strategy for now. And regarding your data for the campaign which was working well, the global world campaign which was working with a $20 budget was working well. $20 budget global app campaign working well. Okay, so I think we can spend more on that. So in my opinion, if you have to spend more on the global app campaign, I'm going to think regarding how we can spend more. So my opinion is to restart that campaign, restart that campaign, double your budget at 40. You are at 80. So my opinion is to run it for this one and schedule your countries. You are scheduling the country on the AdMob, but my opinion is to look for your countries which are performing well in the global campaign. Look countries which are performing well in global campaign and then create specific mobile app campaigns for those countries performing well. I'm gonna put my bet on this. that I'm going to look for those countries which are performing well, and I'm gonna market those. So I think I'm gonna wait for 10 days, 7 to 10 days to see 7 to 10 days to see the campaign performance and then decide on. So focus on new campaigns getting data, and rather than starting with all of those campaigns which your old global campaign which is working well, make it with $40 budget. If that is the one, I will be very surprised if you're getting this ROS. And so I think that focus on that, run it for some time and get some data, and then we can optimize. Maybe the CTR you are saying is good, but maybe the intent is missing with your message. So if you think your CTA or intent is clear in your message, is also important thing. So I think I'm going to focus on that as well, that your CTA's intent is clear. So I hope this summarizes your question. But still, if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and I will be happy to answer. And just for a quick revision, anyone needs a professional Google Ads help with the Google Ads services, we are a full-fledged Google partner company, and we love to work with you. So in case if you want to hire me and my team, you can hire through the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.